Page Object Design Pattern. Page Object Design Pattern. Script maintenance looks easy, but with time test suite will grow. As you add more and more lines to your code, things become tough. The chief problem with script maintenance is that, if 10 different scripts are using the same page element, with any change in that element, you need to change all 10 scripts. This is time-consuming and error-prone. Page Object Design Pattern. A better approach to script maintenance is to create a separate class file which would find web elements, fill them, or verify them. This class can be reused in all the scripts using that element. In future, if there is change in the web element, we need to make change in just one class file and not 10 different scripts. This approach is called Page Object Model or POM. It helps make code more readable, maintainable, and reusable. Page Object Design Pattern. The main features of POM are: Page Object Model is a design pattern to create object repository for web UI elements. Under this model, for each web page in the application there should be corresponding page class. This page class will find the web elements of that web page, and also contains page methods which perform operations on those web elements. Name of these methods should be given, as per the task they are performing, that is, if a loader is waiting for payment gateway to appear, POM method name can be wait for payment screen display. Simple POM. It's the basic structure of Page Object Model where all web elements of the OT, and the method, that operate on these web elements are maintained inside a class file. Tasks like verification should be separate as part of test methods. Page Object is a design pattern which has become popular in test automation for enhancing test maintenance and reducing code duplication. A page object is an object-oriented class that serves as an interface to a page of OT. The tests then use the methods of this page object class whenever they need to interact with that page of the UI. The benefit is that, if the UI changes for the page, the tests themselves don't need to change, only the code within the page object needs to change. Subsequently, all changes to support that new UI are located in one place. Simple POM. POM allows any modifications required due to UI changes to all be made in one place. A page object does not necessarily need to represent an entire page. The page object design pattern could be used to represent components on a page. If a page in the OT has multiple components, it may improve maintainability if there was a separate page object for each component. There are other design patterns that also may be used in testing. Some use a page factory for instantiating their page objects.